Hello, seventh grade. Today I'm going over day 5 of your packet. It's very straightforward and very simple. So, for class tomorrow, you need to read chapter 4 of Animal Farm. You're going to make a drawing, and you're going to use quotes as captions, and then you're going to do a little question set based on chapter 4. So it's very straightforward. I'm going to walk you through the worksheets. So we're scrolling down to day 5, chapter 4 of Animal Farm. You need to read this. Once you read chapter 4, go ahead and reread this small passage and answer these questions 1, 2, 3. And then this sheet right here and this big box, you're just going to draw an image of what happens in chapter 4. Specifically, I want you to focus on the Battle of the Cowshed. So you'll see at the bottom, it says quote 1, Boxer, quote 2, Molly, quote 3, Snowball, and quote 4, Mr. Jones. What you're doing is here you're drawing the image, and then here at the bottom, you need to write down a quote from the chapter that shows what Boxer was doing during this battle, and he should be doing it in this picture. Then what Molly was doing during this battle, based on a quote. Same thing here. What was Snowball doing during the Battle of the Cowshed? And you put that right here. And then what about Mr. Jones? All right, so 4 quotes and an image. So you have that worksheet and you have this lesson 20 question set. Tomorrow we'll gather on Zoom at 1:30 and we will discuss chapter 4 of Animal Farm.